Hey everyone, it's me, Megz, and you know what? Half wigs are not what they used to be, girl. I am thoroughly impressed with this unit right here. And let me tell you, half wigs sure have come a long way since I remember, okay? Because you couldn't catch me in a half wig years ago, but I am super excited how the improvements of the hair industry have gotten us right here, okay? And this unit is by ISEE Hair. And I'm loving their packaging that they have. The pink is so pretty with the gold accents. So I got some goodies. I got a lace melting band in my packaging. I also have an extra adjustable band for the unit and a wig cap. So this is how the unit came. And this is the ISEE Hair Coily Curly Half Wig. And it's a seamless, kinky, curly flip over wig, and it's beginner friendly. And I believe I have the natural 180 density, and I think this is 18 inches, but this unit also comes in a 250 density also. So I'm absolutely loving this texture, and I'm looking at it, and it'll be great for those flat twists for the leave out, and it would work great with braid outs if you choose to do a braid out for your leave out. So I'm very excited to see how this unit is going to wash, because I always shampoo my curly units first, and the cap construction of this unit is very different. I really like that this wig has a pre-flip hairline, so you just pop it on and go. And this wig has a total of 4 combs for security. There's 3 at the top and 1 at the nape area. And it also has an adjustable drawstring for this 3D dome cap for a snug fit. So I love that, because that's why I kind of shied away from half wigs in the past, because they would never fit right. So this drawstring is really a game changer. So I am loving that. And it also has another adjustable band at the very bottom. So with my curly wigs, I always wash them first using a clarifying shampoo, and then follow up with a moisturizing shampoo and moisturizing conditioner. And I noticed doing this, the unit just styles a lot better and it looks a lot better. It has a little more movement and body to it. And I'm noticing the texture of this unit is absolutely gorgeous. It kind of softened up a little bit, and the wave and the curl pattern is absolutely stunning. So it looks slightly different than what it looked like when it first came in the packaging. So that's why I always love washing the units before. Look how beautiful it is, and I can tell this is great quality hair. And after washing your wigs, that's how you know, especially with curly wigs, if it's good quality. The ends are nice and smooth, nothing is rough, there's no split ends. So I am going to use a Dim brush, some leave-in conditioner to finish styling this unit. So I'm going to thoroughly apply some leave-in conditioner all over this wig. This one smells really good. I love this one by Alpha G. And I noticed this wig detangles with ease. It's so smooth, and I did not get a lot of shedding, but I did receive just a little bit, which is normal with curly units. So I'm going to apply some foam mousse just to get those curls to pop and set. And I put quite a bit of this, not too much, but just the right amount to get those curls to pop. So I applied that and then detangled one more time. And that mousse really just helps the curls clump together and pop. So I always do this with all of my curly units. And look how beautiful this is. See how after you wash it, it looks just a smidget different. So I am loving this texture. So I always do this, and I let the hair air dry for about a day or 2 prior to wearing to make sure it's thoroughly dry. So look at those ends, super beautiful. The curls are really popping from the root of the wig all the way down to the ends, and it's looking really, really good. So I am ready to wear this. This is exactly how it air dried. Beautiful unit, beautiful curly hair, nice shine. And for this, I did a flat twist for my leave out, which is a great way for me to, remain heatless on this, protective recovery hair journey. So I am going to use the drawstring, which is like a lifesaver, because before, half wigs were not for me because they would never fit correctly. And I'm also going to use the combs to really anchor this unit onto my hair into the braids. So it's laying flat, it's laying very secure, and I'm just going to go ahead and tighten that drawstring right there. I am so happy that they started doing this, okay, because I would have never looked twice at a half wig. So I'm really loving how it's fitting. I'm loving the texture. It's beautiful. I love the color. It's really nice and lightweight. I like that it's not heavy on my hair, because that is also a concern of mine when it comes to my healthy hair care journey. I want protective styles that won't disturb my progress and won't, rub up against my hair in a unhealthy way. So this fits comfortably, and my leave out blends effortlessly with this unit. The color match is perfect. So I am really loving this. The splat twist really did what it needed to do. So yeah, I like this because I'm able to go heatless with this one. I can tell that it's going to blend beautifully, and I love the flip over of the, you know, the band on the unit. So if the wind blows, I won't be clocked. My leave out is blending effortlessly. And so since we washed this unit before, I like to fluff the hair up. So you could take like a pick if you want to, but I just like to use my hands. And of course, we're gonna do some baby hairs with this kind of like side swoop action that I got going on with my leave out. And what I really like about this unit is I didn't have to use a lot of leave out with this unit. So that allows me to keep my hair really nice and healthy and the rest of my hair protected and put away. And as far as my leave out, it's not so much leave out, so it can remain moisturized. I can take this unit off at nighttime, tend to my leave out, and sleep comfortably. Okay, so this unit is absolutely beautiful. You can't tell me that this isn't my hair. It is my hair. It's giving like it's growing out of the scalp. So it's so easy. And you know what, I could do an updo with this if I choose to, because the back nape area just lays so perfectly against my nape. It's not lifting. So that drawstring definitely is a game changer, okay? And doing a flat twist on my relaxed hair really allows the hair to blend because the curls start really close to the root, as you can see there. So say if the wind blows, it's giving natural, okay? And I'm loving the length. Something in my spirit is telling me this actually is 20 inches, but all info will be down in the description as far as length goes. And I really wanted to play with this unit. I wanted to see how big it got, and I am loving the big hair look with this unit as well. It's super beautiful, and actually like you could do a center part, you could do braids in the front, but I have a little less leave out with this unit, and I want to make sure I keep the front of my hair as low maintenance and low manipulation as possible. So this center part with this big fluffy look is perfect for me. This is beautiful. This would be a beautiful vacation hair. So I actually also love the kind of like natural edges look. So you really don't even have to like sleek your edges and do the baby hair thing. This looks so natural and so beautiful. I love this length and the density as well. So I'm gonna try a half up, half down look with this one. And this was super easy to do. I just pulled some of my leave out up and covered the back up. And it's a really easy look too. I really like how the texture of the hair, when I pull the hair up, it didn't lose its curl pattern. So I really do love that. So that's definitely letting me know this is quality hair. And I'm just loving how natural this looks. And being that I am relaxed here, I was about 9 weeks post relaxer. So this allowed me to really keep my healthy hair care goals in check and intact when wearing half wig. So yes, I am loving this. It's super cute. This would be a cute workout wig, cute everyday wig as well, cute work wig. So I am loving this look of the half up, half down as well. There are so many different things you can do with this wig. Like you could twist the front and create like some bridal styles, some special event style. And I love that this is so easy to put on and style because it's no glue, no lace, no heat. So you don't have to sacrifice the integrity of the health of your leave out, okay? So this is such a beautiful look too. Like I love this unit so much, y'all. So if you are in need of a half wig and you weren't a believer in half wigs like me, this one is a good one to try out. It's so versatile, so beautiful, and I've been rocking my half wig, having a lot of fun in it too. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all information about this ISEE unit will be down in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.